How to use effects on Instagram Reels. Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to use effects on Instagram Reels. So let's begin. The very first step is to make sure first that your Instagram app is up to date. If not, then please go to your App Store or your Google Play Store, search for Instagram, and then make sure to click on that update button whenever it is available. Once you have done updating your Instagram app, then now you may open it. So updating is very crucial because it will update as well the latest or the trending effects on Reels. So now you may proceed on Reels found on the bottom mid of your screen and then click on this camera icon found on the upper right corner of the screen. On the right side, you may be able to see the toolbar. So the second option right here is called the effects. So go to effects and choose the effects that you want. For example, I will choose this one, the aqua filter. The aqua glitter. So once you click on it, and then you should try them first before um, trying to record your video or your reel. And then you may also choose another filter or effects. So you may go to trending. So right here, you may be able to see the latest or the trending effects on Instagram. So again, you may scroll down right here and look for the effects that you want. You may also search for effects right here by clicking on this magnifying glass icon and type in the effects that you want. So you may also explore on Reels, on Appearance, and then try it out by um, s- pointing your camera towards you or towards others, and then start recording your video. So that's it. That's how you can use effects on Instagram Reels.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.